I'm here with Tim Sy, founder of Trust Your Talent, one of our most popular speakers for Mogul Mastermind. He's kicking us off this year in 2025. And Tim, being a local Edmonton guy, is actually going to be talking to us about strategies that are going to be the most effective for investing in Edmonton in 2025. Tim, what are some of the key highlights that we can come hear about at Mogul Mastermind this month?
Yeah, I'm super excited to kick off the year once again. I feel like I've had this spot since 2020, and like almost, I think this is my third or fourth time kicking off in January now with Mogul Mastermind. Super excited, and obviously everybody knows what's been happening with the Edmonton market and how it's trending. And I know Mogul has been providing a lot of amazing stats and forecasts too. So I want to come in this month to really show people if you are going to focus and hone in on one particular market, you are able to really, really maximize your growth, your building your momentum, your cash flow, and your wealth all in one market in Edmonton over the next 24 months. But you got to get started this month.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait to hear some of the strategies that you think are going to work in the market. Because, of course, there's so many different ways to make real estate investing work, but you have to fit the right strategy to the right market. And we know Edmonton's a great market. So let's talk strategy. Everybody, make sure you click the link, grab your tickets, come see Tim talk about what is working in Edmonton over the next 24 months. And we'll see you there. Thanks, Tim.